Summer's here, which means it's time to hit the road. But before you rev up, it's time to pick out the right jacket for you this summer. So today, here at Bikester Global, we have brought you 5 mesh jackets in the summer that'll keep you cool and protected under the mercy of the blazing sun. From lightweight designs to advanced ventilation, these jackets have you covered. Now let's dive in. The Miller is built for Indian climatic conditions with thoughtfully placed air mesh panels on the body's hotspots to maximize airflow in these certain areas. The Miller jacket also provides CE certified level 2 armors from Powertector, which means no compromising on protection either. The Soless Air X. Airy and stylish is all the Air X screams in its fresh version 2 avatar. Ride safer with the CE level 2 chest armor. And don't you worry about the downpours on the new 10K mm fabric on the rain liner. This is the Soless Urban Rival. The Soless Rival Urban is pretty comfortable in terms of local commute and it's pretty light on the body as well, so you don't feel like it's too heavy of a jacket. With the shoulders, elbows and the back, you get a SafeTech ViscoFlex CE level 2 protection. However, with the level 2 chest protection, you get the Powertector AirTech DC protection. And this jacket in particular also comes with a liner. The Rhinox Cipher GT, let's go! A minimal and monotone design. The Cipher GT jacket is the ideal jacket for someone looking for an understated yet stylish jacket for their daily city commutes. The shoulder, elbow and pad tech is the same as the one before. SafeTech ViscoFlex CE level 2 protection, and the chest is equipped with a EVA foam protector. Increased low light visibility, blacked out retro reflective panels on the front and back make it easy for you to be noticed on the highway. And now for number 1, the Soless Thrift. At what point do these stop looking familiar? Because honestly, they all look the same. Minimalist in design, maximalist in safety. Our all-new thrift jacket combines modern lines with high ventilation and protection that it's no less than a flagship jacket. Coming in with the Italian SafeTech CE level 2 armors for the elbows, shoulders and spine. So that was our top 5 jackets for the summer for you in 2024. If you're looking for more of these products, you can find them on Bikester Global. The link is going to be in the description below. I'm Orion and I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta!